Imagine living in a city built around 4,500 years ago, where many homes had designated bathing areas, streets had covered brick drains, and water was widely available through wells. No modern machines, no electric pumps, no pressurized pipes, just brick, gravity, planning, and an understanding of how water should move. But here's the mystery. How did a Bronze Age city create a sanitation system so organized that it still surprises engineers and historians today? I'm T.Y.N.X, your lead investigator. Today, we examine the hidden engineering beneath one of the great cities of the Indus Valley Civilization. Welcome to the mystery of Mohenjo-Daro. To understand Mohenjo-Daro, we begin with the Indus River region, in what is now Pakistan.
Mohenjo-Daro was one of the largest urban centers of the Indus Valley Civilization. It flourished during the 3rd millennium BCE and was built mostly with baked brick.
That detail matters. Baked brick is stronger and more water-resistant than ordinary mud brick. For a city dealing with water, drainage, and flooding, material choice was significant.
The city shows evidence of planning. Streets, houses, wells, bathing areas, drains, and soak pits appear arranged as parts of a connected urban system.
So this was not just a settlement beside a river. It was a city organized in a way that suggests coordinated management of water supply and wastewater. Now, we get to one of the strongest pieces of evidence: the drains.
Many houses had bathing areas. Wastewater from these spaces moved through brick-lined channels into larger street drains.
This was not modern plumbing. There were no pressure systems or flush mechanisms, but it was an early form of organized household drainage.
The street drains were often covered with brick or stone slabs. These covers helped contain wastewater and likely allowed access for maintenance.
A drain moves water. A drain that can be accessed and maintained reflects planning.
Some systems used soak pits or jars to collect sediment before wastewater entered larger channels.
So the system was not only moving water away, it was also reducing blockage and controlling waste flow.
The flow depended on gravity. Channels had to be built with a consistent slope so wastewater could move from houses into larger drainage routes.
No engines, no modern tools, just consistent slope, standardized construction, and access for maintenance. What does this tell us about the people who lived here?
Archaeological evidence shows widespread access to water. The city had hundreds of wells, and many homes were located near them.
This does not mean equal access for every individual, but it suggests that water was integrated into daily life.
Many houses were built around courtyards, with bathing areas connected to drains. Wastewater flows from bathing areas to a street's drain system.
So when we talk about water engineering, we are not only talking about public structures. We are also looking at ordinary homes.
The Great Bath is the most well-known structure. It was built with tightly fitted brick and waterproofing material, with steps leading into a central tank.
Many scholars interpret it as a site for ritual bathing. However, there are no written records confirming its exact function.
The interpretation is widely accepted, but not definitively proven.
The engineering is visible. The meaning remains partly uncertain. But even the best system has limits.
Mohenjo-Daro declined after its peak. The exact reasons remain debated. There is no strong evidence that the city ended through one sudden invasion or one single disaster.
So we should not tell a simple collapse story.
Several factors may have contributed. Scholars have discussed river shift, environmental stress, changing rainfall patterns, flooding, and disruption of trade and urban organization.
That means the city may not have failed because its drainage system was weak. It may have declined because the wider world around it changed.
The evidence supports a gradual transformation rather than a single dramatic ending.
And that matters. Sometimes history is not destroyed in one moment. Sometimes it slowly moves somewhere else. So what is the verdict?
Mohenjo-Daro shows one of the earliest known examples of organized urban drainage and water management. Its wells, bathing areas, covered drains, soak pits, and brick construction show a society capable of organized civic engineering.
But we should not exaggerate it. This was not modern plumbing. It did not have pressurized pipes, electric pumps, or sewage treatment plants.
What makes it remarkable is not that it was modern. What makes it remarkable is that it was systematic.
The system reflects a practical understanding of how water was managed in a dense urban environment. Wells provided accessible, clean water.
Wastewater was carried away through brick-lined drains, and the layout shows coordinated planning.
Mohenjo-Daro was not just a city of bricks. It was a city of flow. I'm T.Y.N.X. If this changed how you see ancient history, stay with me. Because the past still has engineering secrets buried beneath our feet.